Hey everyone, welcome back to Drop Tech. Samsung Home is making waves once again, and this time it's because of a brand new leak from Tyrron Vatz. He just released an exclusive video showing off the upgraded HomeUp module for One UI 8. From the very first glance, it's clear Samsung is taking customization way further than before. The video shows off powerful tools like alignment guides, item grouping, edit locks, and a floating toolbar. These features are built to give users total control over the way their home screen looks and behaves. And if that wasn't impressive enough, Ice Universe has dropped an early demo video as well, giving us a closer look at the incredibly smooth animations in the updated HomeUp app. It really shows just how refined and polished the One UI 8 experience is becoming. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip 7 Fan Edition are set to be the first to receive the stable One UI 8 update. And Samsung clearly wants power users to have everything they need to make their phones feel personal right from day one. The newest HomeUp version doesn't just stop at layout tweaks, it goes much deeper. You can now adjust app launch animations with way more precision. Things like transparency, animation speed, corner curves, transition styles, and even how your wallpaper reacts are all customizable. When you add in features like hiding the page indicator, switching to horizontal scrolling, alphabetical sorting, and the quick access pop-up, this becomes easily the most significant HomeUp update we've seen in a long time. Also, we can't ignore Multistar, which is now at version 10.0.32.032 with full One UI 8 support. It brings in some game-changing tools, like the launcher widget for the Flip 7's cover screen, plus deeper settings like app screen size conversion and portrait mode screen ratio adjustments. All these updates are rolling out just ahead of the full One UI 8 launch, and it's pretty clear that Samsung is preparing to deliver one of its most polished, customizable user experiences yet. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Drop Tech for more updates like this. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.